Oh look, this boy has been shot. Now we need to figure out how long he has been dead. I need to figure out the surrounding temperature, which feels like 60 degrees, and his body temperature the first time. I also need to note that the time I took between 90 degrees. Now I'll wait 10 minutes. It has been 10 minutes. Now his body temperature is 88 degrees. Today, we're going to figure out how long Jarrett has been dead. To do this, we need to use Newton's law of cooling. Now, the equation for Newton's law of cooling is T of T equals Ts plus D naught E to the negative K T. T right here is the temperature of the body when you found it. Ts is the temperature of the surrounding air. D naught is the difference between the surrounding temperature and the first variable. E is a constant, negative K is your rate of cooling, and the two little t's are time. So what we're going to plug, because that was the second reading we found for his body temperature. Then we plug in 60 because it was the temperature of the surrounding air. Then we're going to plug in 30 because the first temperature reading we took was 90 degrees. Then we plug in E to the negative K, 10. So then to simplify the equation, we need to subtract 60 from both sides. We'll get 28 equals 30 E to the negative K, 10. Then we need to take the natural log of these two equations. So we'll just take, and we have to divide by 30 first. So divide by 30, and you get natural log of 28 over 30. And then you also get equals negative 10K, because taking the natural log of the E just totally eliminates it. So then we have to divide by negative 10 here and divide by negative 10 here. So that leaves us with the K, and so K equals 0.006899. So that's K. Now we have to replug K into our new equation. So our new equation is going to be 88 equals 60 plus 38.6 E times negative, or to the negative 0.006899 T. So then we're going to have to subtract 60 again. We're going to get 28 equals 38.6 E to the negative 0.006899 T. And then we divide by 38.6. So over 38.6 over 38.6. And then we take the natural log of that. So it's natural log of 28 divided by 38.6 equals the natural log of E to the negative 0.006899 T. Now these natural logs cancel out. So then you get 28 over 38.6 equals E to the negative 0.0600689 T. And that simplifies, and you divide that by negative, you divide this by the negative 0.06 because you know what E is. So then you do the natural log of that over negative 0.00689, and that gives you T, which is 47.